Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can change your old car battery from this to a brand new battery that will help you start your vehicle a lot better, more efficient, will be able to power your instrumentations in your cars, just like the lighting and the sound system, and overall will provide a better efficiency and help with your gas mileage. The tools you're going to need for this installation are some safety glasses, some gloves, preferably rubberized on one side, and a 10mm socket wrench. Alright, so we are going to disconnect the power. So we're going to start with the negative side. Use your 10mm wrench, and we're going to untighten it. It's kind of hard to pull it out, so you can either pry from under here, or I like putting a wrench in the socket and pulling out. And we'll put that down on the side here so that it doesn't touch the terminal while we're disconnecting this one. Again, you want the 10mm to loosen that off. Do it the right way. Alright, and now we can lift this off just like that. Alright, now there's no power going through the vehicle, and we are going to take off this bracket. Again, you're going to use your 10mm bracket, and I'm going to start on this side. So just going to loosen it off. Now this is attached to a J-hook rod, and this keeps the battery in place that way. So you don't want to lose this because it will fall off if you unbolted it all the way, and you just want to kind of loosen it to the point where you can just twist the J-hook off of that bracket at the bottom. Just like that. So I'm just going to leave it on there, just like that. And it's the same thing here. We're going to use 10mm wrench. I've already loosened it off. Unfortunately, when I got this car, someone stripped the nut that was welded on here. So it's this bracket is attached by a aftermarket nut and bolt. So there's the nut there, and there you go. Got that taken off, and we'll take this bracket off, put it on to the side, and now you have full access to take out your battery. And it is heavy, just be careful. We're gonna lift it out. Alright, so I'm going to be replacing it with this battery. It is a 24F AGM. That's what you're going to need in order to fit your battery in. And the reason why I am replacing this old battery is because this does not take a charge anymore. I do have an aftermarket audio system in my vehicle, and it drains the power quite a bit, and it's consumes a lot more gas because of that consumption of energy from the battery. Also, winters are really cold here, so I have a battery. This battery is has better cold crank. This is a 710 cold crank, and this is 582 cold crank. So this one will help you crank the engine faster and better on your vehicle in the winter time. Alright, so this is where the battery gets placed on, and you can take this out. It's just doesn't get bolted in or anything. It just sits on that metal plate right there. And actually, if we grab this J hook, so the battery gets placed there, and this J hook gets latched in this hole right here. So that's how it's held on, just like that. That's how the battery is held into place. All right, now let's put this new battery in. All right, time for this new battery. This battery has a nice handle on it. It's still heavy. So because this isn't a Toyota battery, it's gonna fit a little funky. Well, that's okay. It will fit in here for sure. All right. We're gonna grab our bracket and we're gonna slide it through under this. And make sure that the J-hook isn't getting caught behind any wires. There we are. And we want it back in that slot. And there we are. And we can tighten it up. Not too much because we still need to put this one in. Now for you guys, it'll be easy to get this bolt on. Unfortunately, it'll be a little bit harder for me because I have to wiggle my fingers through and get this bolt through the hole while not dropping the bolt. All right, there you go. Oh, sorry guys. Let's do that. Now that we got both bolts and nuts on, we can tighten it up. And we'll go grab that 12mm wrench and we'll tighten it up. Oh, wrong size. So as you can see, it's not quite flush in the bracket, but this battery is rated for this vehicle. I got this battery from Costco. It was the best price and it was what I was looking for. So that's why I have this. All right, shake. So it seems like I can tighten it up, but like it's pretty snug in there. So I'm content with that. We'll take these caps off. And now we'll put these on. Actually, we'll start with the black. Negative. Slide that on, and again with your 10mm, you're just gonna tighten it up. And on this side. And just like that, you've installed your own car battery. You don't need to have anybody do it when you can do it yourself, and it's super easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. If it was helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.